Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I want to thank you for coming to our presentation. Nice to meet you. Firstly, I would like to thank to God that has given us everything. So this time we can be here and do our activity. I also want to thank Mr. Agung Nugroho and all for this great opportunity. My dear friends, may I have your attention? The presentation is about to start. Let me introduce myself. Firstly, my name is Igusti Ayub Paraseti. As a moderator, Muhammad Farel Alfinsyah, Muhammad Adi Masrukin, Nastiti Kofiana, Bella Sukriani, and Risna Putri Asari, and all my friends are as a speaker. The presentation to be given is with the title Radiography, and there are kind of theory of radiography, definition, history, concept, kind and benefits, and risk. The presenter of the first material will delivered by Mr. Farel to invite.
Okay, thank you for the moderator and hello everyone. I will deliver the first material about definition of radiography. Radiography is a supporting of clinical examination and a fundamental part of the diagnostic procedure. Next please. The second material is about radiographic history. On November 9, 1895, German physicist Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen accidentally found an X-ray. Dr. Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen was interested in working on the cathode tube experiment. He was surprised to find fluorescence from a barium platinum-cyanide coated plate laying on a bench so far from the energized lithoid cathode tube, which is opaque. Roentgen also devoted his time, energy, and mind to researching this matter intensively, which led to the publication of his writing entitled On a New Kind of Ray on December 28, 1895. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Mr. Farel for the material that has been delivered. The presenter of the second material will delivered by Mr. Adi to invite.
Okay, thanks to the moderator for giving me time. My name is M. Adi Masrukin. I am the second speaker and I will to deliver the material of radiography concept and kind radiography. Radiography is the use of ionizing rays or X-rays, gamma rays to form an image of the object being studied on the film. Radiography is generally used to see invisibility objects, such as the inside of the human body. An image of an object that is taken by radiography is called a radiogram. Next. Kind of radiography: MRI scan, CT scan, USG, and nuclear radiology. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Mr. Adi for the material that has been delivered. The presenter of the third material will delivered by Ms. Nastiti to invite.
Okay, thanks to the moderator for giving me time. My name is Nastiti Kofiana. I will deliver material of presentation. MRI uses strong magnetic field to allay rotating atomic nuclei, usually hydrogen protons, within the body tissue, then disrupt the axis of rotation of this nuclei and observes the radio frequency signal generated as the nuclei return to their initial state. MRI scan provide the best soft tissue contrast of the 5 imaging modalities, with advance in scanning speed and spatial resolution, and improvement in computer 3D algorithm and hardware. MRI has great development potential in the next few years. One of the drawbacks is that the patient must be kept still for a long period of time in a noise, narrow space while imaging is performed. Next. CT scan find pathology of the brain and spinal cord by scanning or examination technique without radioisotope. This CT scan can almost be used to access all organs in the body. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Nastiti, for the material that has been delivered. The presenter of the fourth material will delivered by Miss Bella to invite.
Okay, thanks to the moderator for giving me time. My name is Bella Supriyani. I'm the first speaker and I will deliver the material of USG and nuclear radiology. USG, ultrasound medical use ultrasound or USG to visualize soft tissue structures in the body in real time. There is no radiation involved, but the quality of the image obtained using ultrasound is highly dependent on the expertise of the person conducting the test. The ultrasound test procedure is best used for antenatal examination. This is not harmful to the fetus or mother. Next. Nuclear radiology. Nuclear radiology is a medical specialty that involves the application of radioactive substances in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. Nuclear medicine scans are usually performed by nuclear medicine technologists. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Bella, for the material that has been delivered. The presenter of the last material will delivered by Miss Krishna to invite.
Okay, thank you to the moderator for giving me time. My name is Risna Putri Asari. I will deliver material about benefit and risk of radiography. Benefits of radiography. Number 1, to allow physician to see inside the body. Number 2, to identify and or rule out medical problems. Number 3, diagnose disease. Here are some conditions and diseases that can be detected using a radiology examination. Following are benefit of radiology. Number 1, a fracture. Number 2, broken or cracked teeth. Number 3, tumors. Number 4, kidney stone, and etc. Next. And the last material about risk of radiography. Radiography has benefits but also risks in its use. Artificial radiation contribution would have a biological effect that would directly or indirectly be experienced by radiation recipients. Reckless use of radiation without regard to its dangers is damaging to many who contribute to radiological control. Exposure to high levels of radiation can have various effects, such as vomiting, bleeding, fainting, hair loss, and loss of skin. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Krishna, for the material that has been delivered. Until there, the material has been delivered by all the speakers. Now is the question and answer session. Was there anything that was asked in the presentation earlier? Thank you for the question. The question will be answered by my colleague. Thank you all for paying attention to our presentation. We apologize if there are word error or technical problem.
Biasa
Please
aja.
understand.
Biasa
Thank you. I will
Biasa aja.
end.
Biasa aja.
Bye.
Biasa
Thank
aja.
you.
Biasa
Bye.
aja.